15:13 a.m. on April 18, 1906, the people of San Francisco were shaken away by one of the biggest earthquakes in the United States has ever known. Some call it the Great Shake.
Huh? What? Yeah! It's an earthquake!
Wait, what's